Hello my friends, it's Lisa. Thank you for stopping at my channel today. I've been asked to do this video for a long time now, and today is the day. This is my collection of Glitter Ritz and Elizabeth Craft Design Ultra Fine Glitter, and this is how I catalog it. We're going to make some outline sticker cards today, and you can see I have a lot of glitter. I bought a bunch of it from someone that was getting out of it to my benefit. I super love these projects. So tools you'll need, we've got a fancy scissors, which I'll link below, a bone folder, a tiny ice cream spoon, a piece of Swiffer cloth, a coffee filter, a little box lid, and it's nice to have a bounce sheet in there. I will link to Elizabeth Craft Designs videos also, and she has a great setup for hers. So here are all the different outline stickers that I have. There are so many of them, and I have a lot. I guess I have a little fetish with it, but they turn out so neat. So there's butterflies and presents and hot air balloons and flowers for sure, sailboats, old cars, dragonflies, just so many different kinds. And what I'm going to show you today is a birthday card I made for my friend Bruce, and it's an old car. And then there's also some of these that are made with chipboard background and their overlay. So I will do some of those in the future also. They are called Crazy Creations. And let me know if you like watching outline sticker videos, because like I said, I have a ton, and there's lots of really cool techniques, and I really enjoy doing them. So let me know in the comments below. And you're also going to need one of those release sheets, and like I said, I'll leave everything linked below in case you need to find something. And we're going to do these cactus cards here too. So let's get started. I'm going to peel this background off of the sticker sheet, and that's how I start all the time. When I get new sticker sheets, I pull that off and throw that in the garbage, so then you can really see what your design is. This is a transfer sheet, and I cut mine into 3 different sections: larger, medium, and small. I'm using some regular white cardstock, and I probably am using 80 to 110 pound. I'm going to take my transfer sheet off, and it's sticky. I'm covering up. First, I'm going to cut the image out that I'm going to use. It makes it a little bit easier. So cover the outline sticker with the sticky side towards it, and rub it with your bone folder as I'm doing here. And that's a transfer sheet. We're using that clear plastic. Now you can use it many times, so don't throw it away. Actually, the older it gets, sometimes the easier it is. It's not quite as sticky. So I'm pulling that car image off of that white paper that it came on, making sure that I get all the little pieces, and I'm transferring it. I'm using my transfer sheet to do this. So here it is. It's off the paper, and it's on the sticky transfer sheet. Okay, now I'm getting some double-sided adhesive. It comes in all different shapes and sizes. It comes in big rolls like this. It comes in 6x6 sheets, 8x11 sheets, lots of different stuff, and I'll link several options below again. If you like this, just let me know. So I'm going to use a 6x6 sheet, and I'm going to take the sticky part off, and I'm going to adhere it down to my cardstock. And sometimes when I'm on a roll with these things, I'll do lots of pieces, so I already have this process done. So it's sticky on both sides. I'm going to lay my cardstock over the top. I'm going to use that other piece that came off the back so I can save it. And I'm using my Teflon scissors there. They're non-stick, and that's key for this. Then I'm showing what size I need for the little car, and I'm cutting out that so I don't have to waste any of my sticky double-sided tape onto the cardstock. I don't want to waste it. Save those papers for a different project. So here we go. We've got the paper on one side and the sticky adhesive on the other side. So I'm taking that off. Now I have a piece of sticky cardstock. I'm placing my car on top of there, giving it a rub, and that is right side up now. I'm pulling that release paper off, and I'm using that piece of slippery paper as a handle there. I'm writing on there that it's called transfer sheet, so I don't lose those and throw them away. Just resticking it to the background there, and I also write it on a little baggie there where I store them. Now I'm going to use my anti-static powder tool and go all over that background so that that sticky portion isn't sticky any longer. I'm going to use these fancy little, I'm going to use my big scissors. I thought I was going to use my fancy ones, but I'm going all the way around and cut that car out. Now I'm using my little catalog there to pick out the colors of glitter that I want for my car. Try to get a little closer here for you. And I'm working in my box lid there when I pour the glitter so that it doesn't get all over. I'm using the edge of my tweezers and very carefully pulling up that black sticker portion, and I'm going to do the windshield first. So that part there, the white part, is sticky now. And I'm going to use this glitter here, and I'm just going to pat it in with my finger, tap it off, use a little soft brush into the coffee filter and back in the jar. Cover up your jar, because if you dump it, it's all over and it's a waste. Here I'm showing you that I use a regular grocery bag for my glitter scraps when I'm throwing them away, because the plastic will have static and you'll have a mess. So use just a regular grocery bag, cardboard one, paper bag, I'm sorry. Then I'm going to use this silver glitter on the portions that I pulled away, dabbing it in, shaking it off, giving it a little tap, brushing it down into the coffee filter, pouring it back into the jar. Make sure you cover your jar. I've spilt so much of this that I know how it goes. And I'm going to burnish it with my finger into the areas where the glitter is, and it is cool. I'm going to do the whole car now in all the different colors. I'm going to use the gold and the green for the car. See how that looks? And you can leave some of the black in there because it works out really neat. Now here I'll show you. I missed a little spot with the glitter, so I'm using my Quickie glue pen and I put that in there. I made the background for my card, and here's a tip for you. When you have your piece all finished, go around it with a black marker. You can use a Sharpie. I think mine I'm using here is a Marvy, and I'm using the edge and going around all of that white border. It makes it look like the piece was perfectly cut out and you didn't have any white showing through. I put some foam tape on the back, and voila, this is a super neat card. He told me he hung it right on his refrigerator when he got it, so that makes me feel real good. Isn't that cute? Super great card. Of course, I'm going to stamp the back with my Created by Lisa Thill. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you do, and we'll do some more. Here's some of the cactus ones that I did. Here's a couple of old ones that I had in my stash. You can see that I just used the outline stickers there. Here I made my own outline sticker with a die. Here's a Valentine one I made for my husband, and one for the summer. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.